guests, family members, friends, well-wishers, and lovers of Indian classical arts. Your presence this evening means a great deal to us and makes this occasion even more special. Kuchipudi, one of India's most celebrated classical dance forms, is a beautiful blend of rhythm, expression, storytelling, and devotion. Through today's performance, Prashasya will present a traditional Kuchipudi Margam, showcasing both technical precision and artistic beauty of this timeless art form. Prashasya has been learning Kuchipudi for the past 7 years under the dedicated guidance of Guru Srimati A.P. Nivedita, who has been training her online from India for the past with remarkable dedication and commitment. Through her guidance, patience, and encouragement, she has nurtured not only Precious's dance skills, but a deep appreciation of the rich heritage and traditions of Kuchipudi. Today's recital is a culmination of years of hard work, discipline, perseverance, and passion. We are deeply grateful to our family, friends, and well-wishers whose constant support and encouragement have played an important role in this journey. Today's recital is the culmination of years of hard work, discipline, perseverance, and passion. We would like to express our sincere gratitude to the Nehru Centre and the High Commission of India, London, for providing us this platform to promote and celebrate Indian culture and classical arts. We hope you enjoy this evening's performance and experience the grace, devotion, and storytelling that makes Kuchipudi such a captivating art form. Thank you for joining us and for encouraging young artists to carry forward these treasured cultural traditions. Namaskaram, and we wish you a wonderful evening.
Rig, Yajur, Sama, and Atharva Vedas were woven together by Lord Brahma to create the Natya Veda, the sacred fifth Veda, for the attainment of Dharma, Artha, Kama, and Moksha. According to the ancient treatise, Natya Shastra, Lord Brahma drew Patyam, literature, from the Rig Veda, Abhinaya from the Yajur Veda, Geetam from the Sama Veda, and Rasa from the Atharva Veda to create this divine art form. Kuchipudi follows the principles laid down in the Natya Shastra, including Purva Ranga, the sacred rituals performed before the curtain rises, and Ranga Puja, the offering made to sanctify the stage. Today, I shall begin my performance with a brief Ranga Puja, followed by Kirtana Sri Maha Ganapati Sura Patel, in praise of Ganesha, the remover of obstacles and the embodiment of wisdom, knowledge, and intellect. This song is set to Nata Raga and Adi Talam. May Lord Ganesha bless this evening's performance and guide us all with grace and positivity.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
ಜಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತಜಂ ತತ್ತ ಗಿನ್ನ ತಟ್ಟಿಕ್ಕು ಡಿಟಿಕ್ಕು ತಕ್ಕ ಗಿಡದ ಗಿಡದುಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತಜಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತಜಂ ತತ್ತ ಗಿನ್ನ ತಟ್ಟಿಕ್ಕು ಡಿಟಿಕ್ಕು ತಕ್ಕ ಗಿಡದ ಗಿಡದುಂ ತಡ್ಡಿಕ್ಕು ಡಿಟಿಕ್ಕು ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕುಂದ ಗಿನ್ನ ನಕ್ಕ ತದ್ದಿ ಗಿನ್ನ ಗಿಡದ ಗಿಡದುಂ ತಟ್ಟಿಕ್ಕು ಡಿಟಿಕ್ಕು ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕುಂದ ಗಿನ್ನ ನಕ್ಕ ಗಿನ್ನ ಗಿಡದ ಗಿಡದುಂ ತಟ್ಟಿಕ್ಕು ಡಿಟಿಕ್ಕು ತಕ್ಕ ಗಿಡದ ಗಿಡದುಂ ತಡ್ಡಿಕ್ಕು ಡಿಟಿಕ್ಕು ತಕ್ಕ ಗಿಡದ ಗಿಡದುಂ ಗಿಡದಂ ಗಿಡದಂ ದಿಂಗ್ ಗಿನ್ನತ್ತ ಗಿಡದಗದ ದಿಂಗ್ ಗಿನ್ನತ್ತ ಗಿಡದಗದ ಗಿಡದ ದಿಂಗ್ ಗಿನ್ನತ್ತ ತದ್ದಿಂಗ್ ಗಿನ್ನತ್ತ ತಕ್ಕ ತದ್ದಿಂಗ್ ಗಿನ್ನತ್ತ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ದದ್ದಿಂಗ್ ಗಿನ್ನತ್ತ ತದಿಂಗ್ ಗಿನ್ನತ್ತ ಗಿಡದಗದ ದಿಂಗ್ ಗಿನ್ನತ್ತ ಗಿಡದಗದ ಗಿಡದ ಧಿಂ ದರ ಗಿಡದಗದ
ಶ್ರೀ ಮಹಾ ಗಣಪತಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಮಹಾ ಗಣಪತಿ ಸೂರ್ಯಪತಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ವಿನಾಯಕ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ 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 ಶ್ರೀ ಮಹಾ ಗಣಪತಿ
ತರಗಿಡದುಂ ತರಗಿಡದುಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತರಗಿಡದುಂ ಧಿಂ ಧಿಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತರಗಿಡದುಂ ಝಂ ಝಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತರಗಿಡದುಂ ತರಗಿಡದುಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತರಗಿಡದುಂ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ಧಿಮ್ಮಿತ್ತ ತಕ್ಕ ತರಗಿಡದುಂ ತರಗಿಡದುಂ ತೈ ತರಗಿಡದುಂ
ಸೋಮಶೇಖರ ಸುತ ಸುಮುಖ ದಯಾನಿಧಿ 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 सुत सुमुख दयानिधे चामर कर्ण सुंदर सुंदर वामन रूप शिवात्मज शुभकर चामर कर्ण सुंदर सुंदर वामन रूप शिवात्मज शुभकर चामर कर्ण सुंदर सुंदर वामन रूप शिवात्मज शुभकर साप सनि पम गम री स गम पनि पम गम पनि साप सनि पम गम री स गम पनि पम गम री स म ग प मनि प स नि रे स नि पनि पम पम स रे स म ग प मनि प स नि रे स नि पनि पम पम स रे रे ग ग म प प द द नि स स रे ग म रे स नि प म ग म रे स रे रे ग ग म म प प द द नि स स रे ग म रे स नि प म ग म रे नि स रे म रे स रे स म प नि स नि प नि प नि स रे म रे स रे नि स रे म रे स रे स म प नि स नि प नि प नि स रे म रे स रे श्री महा गणपति सूरपति सिद्धि विनायक नमोस्तुते श्री महा गणपति कारण करण श्रित जन कुशल कारण करण श्रित जन कुशल विकारण विश्व वंदित चरण कारण करण श्रित जन कुशल विकारण विश्व वंदित चरण तारण मां कृपया करी शुभ तारण मां कृपया करी शुभ वारण वदन जनार्दि सुजन भव तारण विघ्न निवारण वर गुण वारण वदन जनार्दि सुजन भव तारण विघ्न निवारण वर गुण साप सनि पम गम रे स गम पनि पम पनि साप सनि पम गम रे स गम पनि पम रे रे स म ग प मनि प स नि रे स नि पनि पम रे स म ग प मनि प स नि रे स नि पनि पम रे स रे रे ग ग म म प प द द नि स स रे ग म रे स नि प म ग म रे स रे रे ग ग म म प प द द नि स स रे ग म रे स नि प म ग म रे नि स रे म रे स रे स म प नि स नि प नि प नि स रे म रे स रे नि स रे म रे स रे स म प नि स नि प नि प नि स रे म रे स रे श्री महा गणपति सूरपति सिद्धि विनायक नमोस्तुते श्री महा गणपति गणपति
ready? Not awful. Ain't awful. The next item is going to be Jatiswaram.
Thank you.
The next item is going to be Tyagaraja Kirtana. We all know Tyagaraja Garu was considered as one of the pioneers in the ocean of Carnatic music. The next item is to be represented before you is the Sri Raghukula Munandu Putte. Born in the auspicious dynasty of Raghus, Sitanu Chegonna Ramachandra. You lapse the hand of Sita in the wedlock, O Rama. In this particular Kirtana, Prashasya will be dramatizing 2 episodes from Ramayana. The first one is Swita Swayamvaram. King Janaka organized a marriage contest, which is to Princess Sita, challenging suitors to lift and string the Lord Shiva's massive divine bow. Mighty kings from all over the world, including the powerful demon king Rama, failed to even move the heavy weapon. Seeing Janaka's despair, Saint Vishwamitra commanded Prince Rama of Ayodhya to step in forward and try. Rama walked up and with a clarity and lifted the divine bow effortlessly with one hand and strung. As he bent the bow, it snapped into 2 with a tremendous crash, winning him Sita's hand in marriage. During the second episode, during the Treta Yuga, in the course of Vanavasam, some sages happened to catch Rama's sight of a divine beauty of Lord Rama's lotus-shaped eyes, broad shoulders, mighty arm, sharp nose, and charming smile. Mesmerized the saints of Dandakaranya, and they feel the urge to embarrass Lord Rama at least once. Listening to their desire, Lord Rama tells them that he was taken an oath of Ekapatni Vrata during this Janma. So he will not be able to fulfill their wish. But very soon, he will reborn as Krishna and sages will reborn as Gopikas. And at that time, he will fulfill their wish. This is Tyagaraja Kirtana set at Hamsadvani Raga and Aditalam.
తాకు తన్నకు చెంత కిడదగద తాది కిడదగద కిడదం తన్నకు కెన్నకు చెంత కిడదగద తాది కిడదగద కిడదం తాకు తన్నకు చెంత తది గిన్నత తన్నకు కెన్నకు చెంత తది గిన్నత తాకు తన్నకు చెం తన్నకు చెం తన్నకు కెన్నకు చెం కెన్నకు చెం తది గిన్నత తది గిన్నత తది గిన్నత తజం త దింగ్ గిన్నత త దింగ్ గిన్నత త దింగ్ గిన్నత తజం త దింగ్ కిడదగద కిడదం త దింగ్ కిడదగద కిడదం త దింగ్ కిడదగద